Okay, so let's get started with the ABC Science web page. Now, all I need to do is take this URL over here from my web page and pop it over here into paparazzi. Now, I'm not going to press enter just yet because I want to show a couple of things about this program. So now on the right hand side at the top here you can set the minimum size and the crop size of an image, and you can also set a delay. And I tend to set a delay because I'm on a relatively slow internet connection at the moment, tethered through my phone. So the idea here is that the delay allows the web page to load fully, and that's a good idea. At the bottom left is an icon here that allows you to interact with the web view, and that is really the key to why I like this program so much, and I'll demonstrate that a bit later. One thing that it allows you to do is log in to a website, so that's actually what we want. Then there's also a quick look button there, and then over on the right hand side here we can share to social media using the sharer here, and then also just simply download the saved image. Okay, and also I'm just going to bring up the preferences for this program. General preferences here, you can control the file name, you can control the default size, you can do batch programming. I haven't played with that yet. You can ask the program to import your bookmarks from your various browsers, which I've turned off. Things like notifications, updates, I've turned that off as well. And also some advanced settings here, which control how this program presents itself to the web page. You may be aware that web pages actually can detect whether it's Internet Explorer or Firefox that is visiting, and so this program can pretend to be one of those browsers, as far as the website is concerned anyway. So that's all useful stuff. Okay, so I'll close that, and now all I need to do is press enter here in the address bar. So I'm going to do that now, and just bearing in mind that the delay is that I've set is 2 seconds, so it's just going to take a little while to load, but there it is there. And as you can see, it's a nice clean image of the entire web page, which over on the left here has captured everything. Okay, now so if I want, I can just simply save that, and in fact I'll do that. Save it to my documents folder there. There's the file name, and that's the final size. You can also, if you wish to change the preference settings, you can choose a different file type here. But PNG is probably the best. As you can see, the final size is driven by the dimensions and the proportions of the web page. So it's a good idea to know what that final size is, so you get some idea of how big that image is. Okay, now so I'll save that. Yep, and that's saved, and I can check that up here. Yep, so I can preview that image, and there it is. So that's really nice. Okay, but let's look at some of the other cool features of this program, because the interactive mode is what I really want to demonstrate, and that will allow us to log into our website. So I'm going to next demonstrate this interactive mode.